Hi, welcome to SBA Industries, an existing SAP client and a manufacturer of supercomputers for AI. It's a fictitious client, and today we are exploring how the partnership between IBM and SAP Watson Assistant is transforming how procurement teams and other functions work. In the fast paced world of manufacturing and technology, procurement is a time consuming and complex process, and delivering engaging experiences and simplifying the user experience via conversational interface to create a purchase request or do other procurement jobs is the concept of the demo today. So, we will create a purchase request with all the necessary backend integration with SAP Aruba and help procurement even select the right product for this particular project. So, let's go to the demo. Let's see how we can create a purchase request or do other procurement functions through Watson Assistant chat interface. I'm Finney, your Smart Procurement Assistant. How would you like me to help? Onboarding, contracts, purchase, requisition, Ariba, procure. Okay. Multiple data centers assigned to your user. For which location would you like to order? Mumbai. Got it. What would you like to order? GPU server. See, the concept of natural language to get things done is a very easy task, right? Do you know the specifications? Procurement, I don't understand a lot of technology maybe, so no. No worries, okay. Based on the current projects, I recommend the high performance GPU servers with NVIDIA RTX GPUs. Would you like to proceed with this? Absolutely. Thanks for confirming. How many units? 7. I just need a couple of more details, okay. Can you provide the preferred delivery date? I guess 2 months from now. Date. Please select the vendor and we are good to go. I guess TSMC. Is the order summary? GPU server, location is Mumbai, product name, delivery date, the total amounts comes to 34 lakh. Shall I submit it now or would you like to change anything? Submit. Purchase request has been submitted for your approval. You'll be notified once it's approved. Is there anything else I can help you? See, SAP does provide all these modules to do this job. However, delivering engaging experience for your employees and simplifying the experience makes the conversational, this interface very, very easy. And the problem today is thousands of requesters only order all these requests occasionally because of these challenges and often leads to incorrect data input. And SAP Ariba requests 30 plus parameters and a chatbot which enables us to do this easily as the front end. SAP connecting to the backend and UI path to create order with data from the chatbot complementary to SAP is a very, very good solution. And by integrating SAP with Watson Assistant, we have streamlined operations for SBA Industries, leading to significant ROI, reduction in procurement cycle time, decrease in costs associated with manual errors, and improvement in supplier negotiation outcomes. But this is not all. There are use cases across self-service for customer experience, enabling your customers to have digital self-service, smart replenishment advisor, enabling your employees to leverage ML for their automating spending tasks, preventive maintenance, a smart contract advisor, regulatory compliance, HR automation, and so on. But I will be taking you through that over the course of this series and the next videos. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining.